Hey everyone, it's Holly here with Holly's Ink and Stamp. How are you? I feel like it's been a while since we've all been together, and tonight we are going to be talking about Paper Pumpkin, and I cannot wait to share that with you. I definitely want to talk about how to get this into your hands, and we do have a special going on for those that have never tried Paper Pumpkin before, and you will be able to get your August subscription for $9.95. Paper Pumpkin is something that comes in the mailbox once a month, and what is in here is amazing. You always get a stamp set, you always get an ink spot, which is your ink, and you get everything that is pre-cut. You even get dimensionals. You get little glue dots, everything you need, other than sometimes you might have to add some of your own personal adhesive, but everything you need comes in this box. And I want to open it and show you what you get each month. This one was from May. This is my daughter. She has a couple months that she hasn't done yet, so I wanted to show you what a May kit looked like, June kit, and then I'm going to show you the one we just got for this month. All right. So this is the box that you get, okay? And when you open it, for the very first time you ever receive this subscription, it comes right to your door, delivered right in your mailbox. You get welcome to Paper Pumpkin, okay? And what's really cool about this is your first box, when you open it, you're gonna get your block, okay? Your clear block, which you're gonna use to put your stamps on. A special stamp set that is exclusive to Paper Pumpkin. You will not be able to buy this in any of our catalogs, okay? So they always have a nice stamp set, and since this was Rebecca's first one, she got her block, okay? And she'll be able to use this each month now thereafter that she gets Paper Pumpkin to go ahead and do her projects with. And in May, the ink spot was Mossy Meadow, which is one of the new colors that came out in our June catalog, okay? And you want to keep these. This is actually our ink pad, so you might as well go ahead and keep those because you can use them on different projects. Then you're going to open up the tissue paper, and you're going to find your project in here. And this one was called, let me look here, it was called Manly Moments. And this kit gave you everything you needed, envelopes, the little embellishments and everything to make 10 cards. All right, so the June one was really cool because they created this stamp, or this box, to coordinate with one of the new suites that was coming out in our catalog in June, okay? So this one was called Broadway Star. And on the side of each one of these boxes, it lets you know what the name of it was, as well as what the month was for that. Okay, and then you go ahead and you open this up, and here was the stamp set for that one. Let's get it right way up. Look at that cake. Love it. We always need birthday cards. And the color of the month for this one in June was Lovely Lipstick, and that again was another new color there. This one I've already opened. So here are the really nice stamp set, and the color this month is soft suede. And what's really cool about this is they will never duplicate the same color in a 12-month period, okay? So you're going to have 12 different inks when you get this. And look how stinking cute this month's is. There's enough product here to do 12 cards and 4 of these super cute baskets to give as a gift, okay? And I am so excited about this, and when we turn it over, look at all of the great supplies that we get back here, guys. There's some brads, there's our dimensionals, there's some twine, there's all the pre-cut little labels that we're going to be using in there, there's the baskets. So many cute things in here. I want to go ahead and open this one for you guys because I want you to see what all is in here. There is so much stuff for your $20 a month, okay? $20 a month. So I love that everything's packaged very nicely when you get this. Always in the tissue paper. I mean, it's just so exciting every time it's time for me to get my Paper Pumpkin. I love it. Okay, so this month's came with these little brads. Okay, they always give you too much. You're going to have so much supplies left over that you're going to be able to use on other projects. Okay, they gave you some of our Stampin' Dimensionals. this month are the mini ones. I love the mini ones, guys. You'll be able to keep these and reuse them, okay, for other projects. What else do we have? We have some white baker's twine. And I love that they now put it on a spool. They used to put it on a little flat piece of paper and wrap it around, but it always had kinks in it all through it. They don't have that anymore. They really listen to us and try to give us the best product available. Okay, so we have that. Oh my gosh, this is my first time looking at this, so I'm so excited. Okay, so here's our card bases. So the little note card bases, and they are scored, so it's going to be easy to fold those in half and be ready to make our cards. Look how stinking cute these envelopes are, okay? And it's lined. Love it, love it. So there's those. These are short brim stickers. I know what these are for. These are for making the baskets, so they gave us those. Oh, these are the strawberry ones. Look at that. Look how cute. And then the blueberry ones. Oh, I love the blueberries. Love it. Okay. Then we have our baskets, and I'll show you how we know how to put these together here in just a moment. So there's 4 baskets, and wow, I didn't know how good these were going to be quality-wise, but they are amazing. And do you see the little embossing on there? Okay, it's gonna be so cool to put this together. All right, so here's our labels, our little tags. So those are all perforated, ready for us to just pop out and use. These are our little pennants that we'll be stamping on. They give you 2 sets. There's no way you're gonna need all this. These are stickered, and they are the leaves that we'll be using on the cards. Look at these blueberries. Love it. We have apples, and these are all perforated, ready for us to punch out. And we have strawberries. Look at that, okay? That's just more basket stuff, basket stuff. This is what I'm excited about. They gave us some vellum that have that gingham look to it, and these are all perforated. We'll be using these on the cards, but look at that gingham, and it's vellum, okay? So we have 2 of those papers. They gave us some glue dots. You always have a ton of the glue dots left every month, so you're gonna be able to use those on other things. And then here's my favorite part. Look at the beautiful gingham tissue paper. We have the green, we have the blue, and we have the red. Now, how do we know how to put it together? Well, they always give us an instructional guide here. And when you open it up, it has step-by-step pictures on how to put it together. And here's my favorite part. They even put a ruler right down here at the bottom. So when you need to measure out how much string, it tells you how much of the baker's twine to use or whatever, you have the ruler right here, okay? Just have a pair of scissors there. You will need to bring some scissors. It's so simple. And then at the end, you're gonna have extras left over. You can keep these if you want to. Okay, because it tells you exactly what color, what everything is in there. And then it also tells you what coordinating colors will go with this. You do get the soft suede in there, but if you wanted to do something a little bit different, they're telling you that the other colors in this set would be Blueberry Bushel, Crumb Cake, Granny Apple Green, and Poppy Parade. Okay, so this is so worth it. Each and every month, you always get an exclusive stamp set that you'll be able to use over and over, and you get your ink spot. Guys, sometimes I've seen it where they've given us 2 ink spots. You never know. Sometimes they throw extras in there, okay? Right now, they have a special going on where you can try Paper Pumpkin if you've never tried it before for 50% off for your August kit. So I did post the link right here on this video where you can click that, go sign up as a new subscriber, use the promo code BLOOM0818, and you will be able to try your first month of Paper Pumpkin for $9.95 plus tax. Shipping is included in that price, okay? So it's a great deal. And then if you want to continue it, you don't do anything. You just you'll be charged $19.95 plus tax, and that'll come out. It usually comes out anywhere between the 10th and the 13th of the month, and then within the next week, it's gonna arrive at your door. Share this video with your friends, guys, because if they want to sign up for Paper Pumpkin, it's $10, and you're gonna get this box shipped to your door, filled with all kinds of goodies. sometimes it's cards. I've had a box come and it's had some of our watercolor pencils in it, okay? You never know what they're gonna add into Paper Pumpkin. Now, I did get a little tidbit today that they are coming out with a special tool. Anybody can use it, but it was made specifically for us Paper Pumpkin subscribers, and you guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna get my hands on one. I'm gonna share it with you guys, and it's gonna really help us put together our Paper Pumpkin and alleviate some of that small, tedious work that we always have a problem doing. So I will be sharing that with you. That'll be coming in the next couple of months. So it is going to be a fun thing. If you love to do crafty things, but maybe you just don't have a lot of the supplies, Paper Pumpkin is the way to go, because you're gonna get some stamps and inks each and every month, and there's always leftover supplies in here that you can use over and over. That's Paper Pumpkin. That's all things Paper Pumpkin. Thank you for joining me, and I do appreciate you all. If you want to join us for the Paper Pumpkin and start getting that delivered to your house, sign up right here. Just click that link. And if you have any questions, just let me know. You can message me, and I will get right back with you. Have a blessed evening, guys, and I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.